Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever fumbled with your car keys, wished you could unlock your car faster, or worried about the security of your vehicle? Today we're diving into the best car keyless entry systems that can make your life easier, safer, and smarter. From reliable remotes to advanced key fobs, we've tested the top options available right now. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, check the links in the description for the best deals, and leave a comment to tell us which keyless entry system you're excited to try. Coming in at number 5 is the Car Key Fob Keyless Entry Remote. This model typically features a durable plastic housing, a pre-installed battery, and a straightforward 3-button layout for lock, unlock, and panic functions. It's designed to work with factory-installed keyless entry systems on select vehicles, and it usually requires professional programming at a locksmith or dealership to sync with your car's security module. The buttons are rubberized for better grip and long-term durability, while the internal circuitry is built to match OEM standards, so it feels and functions like the original fob that came with your vehicle. In real-world use, this remote is ideal for drivers who simply want an affordable and reliable replacement without unnecessary extras. It offers a comfortable size that fits easily in your hand or pocket, and its button sensitivity makes it easy to operate even if you're in a rush. The build quality feels solid for its price range, and it restores full keyless access to your vehicle quickly and effectively. Its main drawback is that it may require paid programming depending on your car model, but once programmed, it's absolutely worth having as a dependable everyday remote. Number 4 on the list is the Machanmagic Key, which stands out with a stylish modern design and compatibility with numerous keyless entry systems. This remote usually features a strong ABS shell, a responsive button pad, and an included uncut key blade that can be cut to your car's ignition pattern. Many listings highlight its compatibility with various makes and models, alongside internal electronics engineered to match OEM frequency and signal strength. It often arrives with a battery already installed, making it ready for pairing right out of the box. What makes the Machanmagic Key appealing is its more premium feel compared to basic replacement fobs. The housing design looks good, and the buttons provide a satisfying click that gives you confidence with each press. It suits drivers who want both functionality and a stylish upgrade that feels more unique than the standard remotes. A small downside is that some models might require both cutting and programming, but even with that, it still offers excellent overall value and performance. At number 3, we have the 2 keyless entry remote key set, a great option for anyone looking to replace multiple fobs at once. Each remote in this pair generally includes lock, unlock, and panic buttons, paired with an internal circuit board designed to match OEM specifications. The remotes are made with a durable plastic shell, come with installed batteries, and are compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Since it's a 2-pack, the listing typically highlights the benefit of having a backup remote or an extra one for another family member. This set is ideal for households with more than one driver or for anyone prone to misplacing their keys. The buttons offer good resistance, the transmission range is dependable, and programming tends to be straightforward depending on the car model. Many users appreciate the convenience of receiving 2 fully functional remotes at a price point lower than many single OEM fobs. The minor drawback is that the range may not be as long as some higher-end models, but both remotes ultimately deliver reliable performance and everyday convenience. Moving up to number 2 is the Key Fob Keyless Entry Remote, known for its wide model compatibility and OEM-style construction. This fob usually includes a 3-button interface with lock, unlock, and panic options, and features internal compatibility with many factory keyless systems. The shell is sturdy, the electronics are stable, and it typically arrives with a pre-installed battery. Many versions of this remote allow for easy onboard programming depending on the vehicle, making it a convenient upgrade for many car owners. In practice, this remote appeals to drivers who need a dependable replacement that feels almost identical to what came with the car originally. The response time is quick, the signal strength is solid, and its smooth design makes it comfortable to carry daily. It works especially well for older cars still using traditional remotes but needing a fresh upgrade. The only small shortcoming is that some vehicles may require professional programming, but overall, it remains one of the most reliable replacements available. Finally, the number 1 spot goes to another Car Key Fob Keyless Entry Remote, a top-rated replacement known for its exceptional reliability, precise compatibility, and strong signal performance. This model usually features OEM-grade construction with a reinforced plastic housing, responsive rubber buttons, and internal circuitry built to match factory frequency and immobilizer standards. It includes a pre-installed battery, arrives ready for programming, and is often compatible with a wide selection of vehicles, making it one of the most versatile choices on Amazon. What sets this remote apart is how seamless it feels in everyday use. The buttons respond instantly, the range is impressively strong, and the overall build quality gives it a durable, long-lasting feel. Drivers who care about reliability, consistent performance, and a factory-like experience will appreciate this model the most. Its only minor drawback is that some vehicle models may require dealer programming, but the performance and convenience it provides make it well worth purchasing. That wraps up our countdown of the best car keyless entry systems. Whether you're upgrading an old fob or replacing a lost key, these options give you convenience, security, and peace of mind. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tech tips. Check out the links in the description for the best deals, and drop a comment below sharing your experience with any keyless entry system. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.